In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode in the Brave browser on Windows. If you spend a lot of time browsing at night or prefer a darker, lower glare interface, this quick adjustment will make Brave easier on your eyes and can even help conserve battery on laptops. Start by opening the Brave browser on your computer. Once Brave is up, look to the top right corner of the window. You'll see a small icon with three horizontal lines, sometimes called the hamburger menu. Click that to open Brave's main menu. From this panel, choose Settings. This takes you to Brave's settings page, where we'll make the change. On the left side of the settings page, you'll see a list of categories. Click on Appearance. This section controls how Brave looks and feels, including theme, toolbar options, and button visibility. Focus on the area labeled Brave Colors. You'll see a drop-down menu that controls the browser's overall theme. Click the drop-down and select Dark. The change applies immediately, so your tabs, toolbar, menus, and the new tab page will switch to a darker palette without needing to restart the browser. If you prefer Brave to follow whatever your Windows theme is set to, choose Same as System instead. With this option, Brave will automatically match your Windows appearance. For example, if your system is set to light during the day and dark at night, Brave will switch along with it. This is a great set and forget approach if you already use a scheduled theme change or just want everything on your computer to stay consistent. A few quick tips as you use dark mode. Some websites now recognize your system theme and will present a dark version automatically when your browser is set to dark. If a site doesn't change, that's normal. It depends on whether the site supports a dark theme. A simple refresh may help on some pages, but many sites control their own appearance. If you ever want to go back to a brighter look, return to the same Brave Colors dropdown and pick Light. You can adjust this setting anytime without affecting your bookmarks, history, or extensions. And that's it. You've set Brave to dark mode, or configured it to match your Windows theme. It's a small change that can make a big difference during long browsing sessions. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a more comfortable Brave experience.